it came with the like the holder for the camera,
right.
And it came with its own camera, but it's not working, so we just put a GoPro in there instead.
Is that the same drone you had before now?
No, this is a different one. My dad just got this one for his birthday, but I'm testing it out because he doesn't want to fly it in the wind.
No, he didn't.
So just seeing what it can do, and it holds up against this wind pretty well, actually. It's just
He didn't get the one that came with the tablet, the big tablet. The big
no,
one.
he wants that. Those are the DJI drones, and that's what he does want.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna practice a little bit with this beforehand. However, those almost fly themselves because they use GPS. That'll hold itself in place on its own, whereas I'm having to actually manually try to keep it somewhere. But is it still? Yeah, I'm still recording. But you know,
It's
a
my
good
backyard.
tester.
That time of season again. Walking all of a sudden, black snake goes between our yard and your yard.
Oh yeah? Could you tell if it was a racer or not?
I couldn't tell. I mean, I saw
Not
it.
sure. If it took off, it was more probably a racer.
Yeah. I don't know if you saw on that on Facebook. It's on 29 Warriors.
Yeah.
The huge battle. It was like 6 battle.
Oh wow.